accidents refer to collisions or crashes involving motorcycles and other vehicles, objects, or road users. These accidents can vary widely in their causes, severity, and consequences. Here's a more detailed breakdown. First, collisions with vehicles. These are often the most common and include scenarios where a motorcycle collides with a car, a truck, or other vehicle. Common situations include cars turning left in front of a motorcycle, rear-end collisions, and accidents while overtaking or lane splitting. Second, single vehicle accidents. These involve only the motorcycle and can be caused by losing control due to road conditions like wet or icy roads, rider error, mechanical failures, or obstacles in the road. Third, collisions with fixed objects. Motorcyclists hitting poles, barriers, or other stationary objects are in this category. Fourth, road departure accidents. Accidents where a motorcycle leaves the roadway, often due to high speed, inattentiveness, or poor road conditions. Fifth, accidents involving pedestrians or bicyclists. These can occur especially in urban areas.